All right, fire it up. Survivor type paint job on it. A lot of it may be the original finish. It's definitely been repainted in areas. This part back here looks original. She's had a couple of repaints on it.
Here we go.
She's definitely a real born SS car.
Yeah, it is. We checked all that. It's a real deal.
I always like the fastback design of these.
They look good. They look real good.
Especially when they're all slicked out.
Right. Those bunch of cars. Yeah, I think, you know, if this car had a good slick paint job, it's a $30,000 car.
A good candidate for it. No
Yeah,
doubt.
it's a solid car, that's for sure.
Runs good too.
Yeah, it runs real good.
Good oil pressure.
Yeah, good oil pressure. Doesn't run hot.
She was cold, you just pulled it out.
Right. I think I'm gonna go. Well, we got this guy. Here we go. I think that there's window stripping is missing.
Yeah, it's missing that piece up there I just filled.
Right.
That's what the window is.
Yeah, both of them. Yeah, it's got both of them have window strip missing.
Piece up here. The channel. The glass lines up though.
Yeah. Speedometer works, gas gauge works, clock doesn't work.
The speedo needle's not jumping around either like a lot of them.
It's got the minder.
Oh,
speedometer minder.
Speed warning.
Yeah.
It's an option.
Right.
They buzz when you set that
Yep.
white.
Yep.
That's kind of unusual. You don't see that.
You don't see it. See it on Cadillacs and Buicks. I don't think that works. That doesn't work. I know for sure.
10 gauge is working. She's warming
Yeah,
up.
it's going up.
She's some Texas barns. A little bit of normal thing around here.
Yep.
Here, let's see how the window works. Oh yeah, good mechanism.
Yep.
No debilitating.
kicking. Pass gear works.
Yep.
See, that's the Turbo 400. Half the time the pass gear ain't hooked up because they're electric pass gear.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. On 400 it's electric. Switch on the gas pedal.
I felt it kick down.
Yep. It's a good car.
Look at that old glove box. Liner still in there. The old pressure sticker. Got your light.
Yep.
Fits good. Really, the interior.
Interior's pretty
There's
nice.
nothing in it.
I don't think there's anything wrong with the interior.
Hey, you can let me out on the shoulder. I'll get you rolling by.
Alright. Yeah, I'll let you out right here, and then I'll go down in that parking lot and turn around.
Just listen to this big block roll out of the roll off in the distance.
Yeah.
Smoking. Donnie comes up with some good stuff. All right, let's watch it roll by. We'll get zeroed out here. Here we go. It stops good. Signal.
And this car's so fast it curled the floor mat.
Oh man, look at that torque. Big block.
WD-40 on that door hinge, huh?
Yeah, she's a little stiff.
Did you hear it whenever I shifted manually?
I heard it going that way. I know this projection mic picked it up.
Yeah. It laid down some rubber when I hit second. I do it manually though. I was hit second. I was like, damn. Let's pull up the same spot. The screen truck's not going to be as fun to drive. I can assure you.
It's more fun the less traffic.
Run about 180 degrees.
Let's check it out warmed up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
14 volts.
Charging good. Hit that throttle. Let's watch the oil pressure. It's strong. Perfect.
Yep. Starts right back up.
Carb's already adjusted out.
Right.
Let's look inside the jams here. Let's look at that old motor warmed up. I had to hunt for it too. It's that second right here. One below it, I think. There it is. Dry and clean.
I'll show you the compressor.
Mm-hmm.
It turns, but you can see how rough it is. So it's not locked up, but it's dry. That bearing's real rough. So maybe just a new bearing would fix that.
Yeah. The radiator looks recent. Redone. Alternator. pull it up on the lift and have a look. Yeah, the glass lines up. It's just missing that piece of rubber all the way across that top sail panel.
Yeah.
That'd make a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Well, pick that one up. Sorry, I take the other